Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit the order confirmation email into Shopify step by step. Whether you want to customize the design, change the wording and add branding or insert upsell links, you will learn everything you need to know. Let's get into it. The The order confirmation email is automatically sent to your customer right after they place an order. It includes order summary, shipping and billing details, your brand message. This is a prime opportunity to reassure customers, add a thank you message, promote other products, build brand loyalty. Log into your Shopify, then go to settings in the bottom left corner, then click notification. From the left sidebar, scroll down and scroll to order confirmation and click on it. Now you will see the default email subject, body, content and HTML code. You can edit both the text and the layout. Click preview to preview or send the test email to see how it looks in real time. Let's start with the email text. Add a warm thank you message. Add estimated delivery times, include return policy and contact information. Personalize with the customer's name or order number using variables like order.name. Make sure your tone matches your brand voice. Friendly, formal, fun, etc. Just click edit code and look at this area. First of all, you need to verify your email. Go to your email inbox and verify your email. Now go to customer notifications, then order confirmation, then edit code. Now scroll down, look at p tag or click Ctrl F of your keyboard, then search for p tag thanks or there, add p tag a plus Thanks for your order. Customer dot first name, then end the p tag and click save, then preview. Also consider adding brand colors with inline CSS, a custom font, if needed, a footer with social media links. After editing, just click the preview button to see the desktop version. Click send test email. And check your inbox like that. Order confirmed. So that's how you edit your Shopify order confirmation email in 2025. This small change makes a huge difference in customer experience and retention. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and comment below if you want tutorials on abandoned cart emails, upsell flows, or anything else. Thanks for watching and happy selling.